Hello everyone, this is Pikachu OTC from Simple Trade, and in this video I'll be reviewing the company VIZC, and I'll talk about the last 2 days with these two huge volume candles. Now before I'll go into it, let's take a look at the chart, and we can see that the stock can do pretty nice runs over time. The first one from the low trips to the high 20s, giving us 1200%. 1 month later, another 175, and we can see here more 163. We can see another 100 plus percentage, and the last run which got us 150%. Now what's common to all of these runs is the volume. We can see that each run has high volume candle. So the question is, what happened here? So the answer is pretty simple. There is a speculation of a reverse merger with a company called Tomorrow.io, formerly known as Climacell. We go to the OTC markets and we can see that Edward Carroll is the CFO of the company, and he is also a director of Tomorrow.io. So you might connect the dot, you might assume that there is something going on here. The company is also inactive for a few years, coming back to life. So the speculation is a reverse merger because of this guy right here. And that speculation was published once again after a few months on July 7th. And this is what caused this volume. This is what caused this breakout that got us 150% in 2 days. Now, if you want to know more about the speculation and more about the company, make sure to watch the weekly review, which will be posted on the weekend. Until then, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and join our Discord community.